Hey everyone, welcome back. If your Bumble account is banned or blocked, do not panic. You still have options. First, open the Bumble app and check that ban message carefully. Temporary bans usually due to repeated reports or suspicious activity. Then go to Bumble's official page and submit an appeal. Explain calmly that you believe the ban was a mistake. Avoid aggressive language. If your ban is permanent, do not try to create multiple fake accounts. This can block your device permanently. Wait for Bumble's response. Appeals can take a few days, but many users get access back if no serious violation occurred. If you get unbanned, follow Bumble's rules carefully. Avoid spamming messages or inappropriate behavior. The fastest way to get unbanned is a clean appeal and patience, and that's it. Subscribe for more quick fixes.